This tutorial will show you how to get the effect control panel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. The first step to get the effects control panel, which is very vital and crucial in Adobe Premiere Pro CC if you want to edit your video clips and audio clips, I got you. So assuming now we have effects and we're going to add on an effect, but we can't even like adjust the effect because we don't have the effects control. If you accidentally misplaced it or misclicked it, don't worry. The first step is to go to the top hand screen and click window, which is next to help, and view. Basically, this is the lightsaber because this will display everything that's currently displayed in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, as it has a check mark to the left, and then things, well, which are not displayed because they don't have a check mark. So locate E and click effects control, which is above effects, and now you successfully have back the effects control panel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.